Obviously, when you go to the track, there is a certain expectation about how you should treat other riders with respect when you are passing them. Every track day group may have rules per individual sessions. So beginner, intermediate, and advanced may have completely different passing rules. So there's a couple things here you really need to pay attention to. One is obviously not only the rules themselves and how they apply to you, but also secondly, in regards to that, how are you going to plan the pass that is quote-unquote legal in that group? So let's start off with the really easy stuff. So if you're a beginner and you're out there, the very last thing that you should be attempting to do is emulate MotoGP riders from paint to apex to paint using somewhere in the region of about 20 to 35 degrees of lean. If the passing rules in the beginner group state that you may only pass on the outside in a corner, which means that when your bike is tipped in, the person in front of you has to be passed to their outside, then if you line up on the paint, go to the apex, go to the paint, you are going to have a very, very long line of riders behind you.
Catch the full podcast at DaveMossTuning.com.